Hello everyone, my name is Luis. I am the Sales Regional Manager for Hefei Meyer CBCT. On the first day, we focus on the installation of our Meyer CBCT unit. The process starts with unpackaging, site preparation and calibration, and conducting several test exposure to make sure all the components were 100% working. Our technical team worked very closely with hospital engineering department to verify safety parameters, radiation output consistent, and image quality standards. So the second day was hands-on training with hospital's radiographics. We demonstrate system workflow, exposures, setting, patients positioning, and teach a lot of handy tips about the unit. The radiographic, they very excited. They ask us so many questions. They are very active. We give them very professional training and to let them know all the helpful tips and some issue troubleshooting.
Saya Suno, saya dari PT Service Excellence Indonesia. Kita punya brand namanya Mekanix, di mana Mekanix ini adalah bagian dari Cobra Dental Indonesia. Kami spesial dalam hal after sales service, khususnya untuk perawatan dental. Jadi untuk teman-teman Cobra Badis, jangan ragu-ragu lagi, hubungi kami langsung ke Mekanix. Kami bisa ditemukan melalui website www.mekanix.id atau teman-teman juga bisa menghubungi langsung melalui teman-teman kami yang ada di Cobra Dental. Terima kasih.